Samsung users, get ready. One UI 8 is about to take over your Galaxy phones in a massive way. October 2025 is shaping up to be the biggest update month ever, with Samsung planning to upgrade not just flagships, but also mid-range and budget models. If you own a Galaxy device, your turn is coming. Samsung officially began rolling out One UI 8 this month, starting with the Galaxy S25 lineup. Most 2024 flagship devices are already covered, and now the remaining models are locked in for October. Mega Rollout starts in October 2025. Samsung has lined up multiple waves of updates across every major lineup: S series, Z foldables, A series, and tablets. South Korea will get it slightly earlier, while the global rollout will follow the exact schedule. Official rollout dates: October 2nd, October 6th, October 16th, October 23rd. Here's the full breakdown. Galaxy S series, October 2nd, S23, S23 Plus, 23 FE, S23 Ultra. October 6th, S22, S22 Plus, S22 Ultra. October 16th, S21 FE. Galaxy Z series, October 2nd, Z Fold 5, Z Flip 5. October 6th, Z Fold 4, Z Flip 4. Galaxy A series, October 2nd, A55 5G, A35 5G, A26, A17, A17 5G. October 6th, A54 5G, A34 5G, A25 5G, A16 5G, A16, A15 5G. October 16th, A73 5G, A53 5G, A24, A15, 807, 806 5G, 806. October 23rd, A33 5G. Galaxy Tab S series. October 2nd, Tab S10, 10 Plus, S10 Ultra, S10 FE, S10 Lite. October 6th, Tab S9, S9 Plus, S9 Ultra, S9 FE. October 16th, Tab S8, S8 Plus, S8 Ultra. The rollout pattern follows Samsung Brazil's previous schedule, and unless major issues pop up, these dates should stay on track. What about One UI 8.5? Many people are calling One UI 8 a light update because it landed so soon after One UI 7 and doesn't bring massive UI changes. But leaks and test builds of One UI 8.5 completely changed the game. One UI 8.5 is already being tested internally. Expected launch, early 2026 with the Galaxy S26 series. New features and design changes will also reach existing devices through updates. Once the visuals and features from 8.5 drop, it'll be clear that One UI 8 was just the warm-up. Before you scroll away, here's what to do next. If you want faster update news, eligibility alerts, and hidden One UI 8 8.5 features before anyone else, hit like, subscribe, and turn on all notifications right now. Your next Samsung update video is already on the way.